Never underestimate the power of food in a metal tin. Some of the best dishes come from canned goods, and I'm gonna share some of my favorites here on Just a Tips. First up is one of my favorite salads using canned chickpeas and sliced black olives. I eat it at least once a week and it's super easy to make. First, make a dressing of olive oil, red wine vinegar, and oregano. Then add your drained chickpeas and sliced black olives. Add some freshness with cucumber, tomatoes, feta cheese, and parsley. Canned salad never looks so good. Next up, my favorite avocado toast. This one is topped with everyone's favorite canned fish, sardines! Trust me, it's not as weird as it sounds. First, zest 1 lemon and squeeze out its juice. Then add red wine vinegar, chili flakes, and sardines. Don't forget some of that olive oil it sits in. Then mix it up gently, cut up and mash an avocado, and spread it on some toast, followed by the sardines. That's a powerhouse meal right there. This one I learned from my mom. She makes the best hash that makes me feel higher than any other Mary Jane could. And it's made with canned corned beef. First, cook diced potatoes until tender and brown. Then saute onion and garlic and add the corned beef. I know it looks funny, but it gets better. Just break up the chunks. And there's no need to add salt because it's already salty. For a nice bite, add sliced jalapeno and serve with rice. And last but not least, a Filipino dessert favorite, ambrosia fruit salad using fruit cocktail and condensed milk. Combine condensed milk and whipped cream, then mix in the drained fruit cocktail. Stir it all together and chill in the fridge. For texture, serve it with some slithered almonds and toasted coconut flakes. I hope I've inspired you to check out your pantry so that you can make some delicious recipes. Jen, why are you always doing the most? Why don't you can it?